Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new cup project. Woo! I am going to start with the Tack-it method. This is a customer order that I'm sort of doing on spec because I'm not sure if I'm going to pull off what he's asked for. So we are going to start with what I think is a good start, and we'll take it from there and we'll see what we get and we'll see if he likes it. So yeah, here we go. I have already taken my 30-ounce skinny straight from Maker Flow. I have spray painted it. This is a beautiful Rust-Oleum color called Vintage Teal, and it's a satin finish just because that's the only thing they had it in. Sprayed that on the cup, and I've applied 2 layers of Aleene's Tack-it over and over, mixed half and half approximately with water. Let them both dry. So now this is dry and tacky and ready to receive our glitter. I am using a super-holographic ultra-fine glitter from Glitter Chimp called Make It Rain, which should be just unbelievably sparkly. So here we go, Tack-it method. So my Dollar Tree paper towel holder. Put that off to the side. Try and get this back in the tumbler without spilling too much of it. Take my glitter cup, don't drop it. 2 or 3 fingers and burnish thusly. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You see the hollow there? Oh, gorgeous. Get your bottoms. Okay. That is just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So here's what's going to happen now. I have got this tacked down. It's beautiful. It's flat. It's shiny. It's gorgeous. I'm going to take it out on the deck. I'm going to spray it with 2 layers of Rust-Oleum Clear Matte spray. Seal everything on. It will make it look a little duller at first, but this all will come back with the resin on it. I will bring you back for the resining part because that's when we're going to start playing with some other things. So stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, this is a little awkward looking. I will move the camera so you can see the whole cup in a second. I want to explain what I'm doing first, and that is, it's basically going to be like a mica swirl tumbler. I'm going to be a little more careful in my placement once I get the micas mixed up, instead of the usual chaotic way I fling the micas on. The colors requested are teal aqua-ish and gold and white. So I'm going to mix up about 60 milliliters of resin. I'm going to use my KS liquid stone, even though it doesn't have that long a work time. I'm going to use that anyway. I have another cup down there. I have to put some of that on. I'm going to put a very little bit on here just as a base, and then the rest of it I'm going to split off into cups, and I'm going to, I think, split these into 5 cups. 1 for the gold, 1 for the white. This is a super sparkle white mica. And then vivid hollow teal will go in another, and these 2 will combine. This is metallic mint, and this is from Woody's Goodies. It's a mica, and this is Southern Glitter Goddesses Atlantis. It's a glitter. I'm going to put those in together in 1 cup. And the last thing I have is Azure Blue Mica Powder. This is from Crafter's Choice, which is sold by WholesaleSuppliesPlus.com. I will link everything below, promise. I will mix those cups of resin up, and I will put them on the cup, and we will see how it turns out. So having said all that, I'm going to gear up, and you know how it goes, and just sit back and enjoy the show. Oh, I am going to also mix into the resin that goes on everything here, Rainbow from Marabou, just for the, extra sparkle, because it's what I do. Oh my God, I absolutely love how this turned out. Holy cow. I really wasn't sure when we last left it for the aquamarine glitter I added on. After the aquamarine glitter I added on, I wasn't entirely sure. But this morning out here in the sun, oh my gosh, I love this so much. Of course, it's kind of my favorite set of colors, kind of, sort of, and hollow. Wow, I just love it. So what happens now? For the purposes of this video, this is done. I'm calling it. However, because this is potentially a customer order, if he likes it, I'm guessing he may want to put a name on it, personalization of some sort. And if so, then I would put that on a vinyl decal, a saying, a name, something, and then at least one more final layer of resin on top, probably 2. And of course, into the final layer of resin, I would put the Marabou Rainbow Sparkle Additive Alcohol Ink, because this needs more sparkle. Thanks very much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, everyone.